How to make money on social media. Making money on social media involves several strategies. 1. Influencer marketing. Build a large following and partner with brands for sponsored posts. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission on sales through unique affiliate links. 3. Selling products or services. Use platforms like Instagram or Facebook to sell physical or digital products directly. 4. Content creation. Monetize videos on YouTube or live streams on platforms like Twitch through ads and donations. 5. Crowdfunding and memberships. Use Patreon or similar platforms to offer exclusive content to paying subscribers. 6. Freelancing and consulting. Leverage your expertise to offer services through social media. 7. Advertising revenue. Enable ad monetization features available on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Success requires consistency, quality content, and engaging with your audience.